After opening ceremonies and statements, negotiators at the Copenhagen Climate Summit from 192 countries are due to set out on the marathon of unprecedented scale and importance. With the whip of time cracking at their heels, delegates have to craft a blueprint for tackling greenhouse gases, blamed for trapping solar heat and disrupting Earth's climate system. They must also put together a funding mechanism to help poor nations most exposed to the ravages of climate change, from droughts to floods, vicious storms to rising seas.
Luxembourg was awarded the best hostel country in the world according to Hosteling International, that ranks hostels around the world according to their customer ratings. The hosteling network groups 4,000 hostels in 90 countries worldwide, and each year 75,000 customers rate the hostels. Luxembourg was awarded Best Hostel Country for 2009, which means that the Grand Duchy obtained the highest average hostel rating for its network of 10 youth hostels. The overall rating were way above average.
The Lëtzebuerger Filmprais took place on Friday, with the main prize for Best Film going to House of Boys. A touching love story between two young men, one of whom is HIV positive, completely won over the public and critics alike, and came as no surprise that the film picked up the award. In Thierry View, a portrait of the actor and friend Andy Bausch was awarded the public award. The prize for Best Animation went to two films, Panico Village and Le Vieil Homme d'Ambouillat, which is a new category for the Lëtzebuerger Filmprais. The prize for Best Co-Production went to Bride Flight by Ben Sonbogart, co-produced with Samsa Film, and the Best Short Film went to Routine.